So what's happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech TRX back in another video, and today we're looking at the R5C for the vlogging setup. Let me know throughout this video if it's any good or not. Spoiler alert, I think I'm already starting to feel that this is a bit too heavy for my taste. I'm actually looking at the Sony ZV-E1 for the lightness of it. But let me know what you think down below if it's any good or not. Here we go. So we are in Sterling. We just ate at Sterling. We are now we're gonna go walk around. Itong dalawang to, sama natin. Ito.
JJ, here.
You ready to walk, Ellie? Yeah. Okay, let's go. Let's go walking. This is called the Malcolm. This place, right?
Yeah.
All right.
Sterling is the restaurant.
Sterling is the restaurant. Okay, let's go, bata.
You want to go this way to the front?
Sure, let's go to the front. Come on. Magbablog po tayo ngayon dito.
Birdie! You
Okay
heard
na.
a birdie.
Mahirap mag-vlog, oh. Nakakahirap sa arms to. Mabigat pa naman tong kamerang to.
Steps pala yun.
Di ka malilimutan. Jerry Tchaikovsky.
Heart.
Is it a heart, Ellie? So we're vlogging with the Canon R5C here with the 16mm f2.8 with the stub mount by Insta360. We have the SmallRig on top as well for the R5C rig. Honestly, this is too heavy. This is not ideal for vlogging, but it does put out a lot of quality shots, as you can see here. Right, Nick?
Yeah. Sure.
Shooting in 1080p right now, just because of battery life. I'm still in 59 minutes out of the beginning of the vlog, so that's not bad. As long as you're not shooting 4K, it does last a little bit here. We're also using the native mic here on the R5C. Let me know what you think of that. Without any mic mount on there at all. It's really good. It's also on C-Log 3. Probably gonna put like just a lot just to show you guys the difference here, but I'll show you the difference on the C-Log 3 and also the just the normal grade here, so you could see the raw video and see for yourself if it's any good or not. I'm also shooting on 24 frames per second here. Now when you're walking around, let me know what you think. It doesn't have IBIS, the R5C. The R5 does. But if you're vlogging, you're just gonna hold it like this. Let me know if it's stable or not. I think my lens has image stabilization. I also have digital, which I find is better on the R5C. Does help a lot though that I have 16 mil here, because I don't have to extend my arm too much. Yeah.
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 Yes. Yes. Oh, Ellie, come here, come here, come here.
Now during the dark as well, it helps that it has dual ISO, native ISO, 800 and I believe 1600 or 3200. Right now I have it set at 3200 ISO. It does well even on, what time is it now? It's 9 o'clock p.m. It's getting dark, but sunset time, it's still pretty good. Is it good, Ellie?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're crossing. We're crossing. We're crossing the road. We're crossing. Yay! Very good. Now we're on the other side. Yeah. Good job, Ellie. Are you having fun?
Mommy.
Yes,
Daddy.
Ellie.
JJ. We're crossing the road. We're crossing the road. Yes.
Yay.
Crossing the road. Look at that.
Now let me know how it does as well on autofocus. I'm just using the flip screen here on the side to see myself, center myself. But let me know if it really helps. Again, it's pretty dark right now, so let me know if the autofocus is not bad. Let's go, let's go.
There's seats here. You can sit here, Papa. Come, Ellie. Let's take a picture of the bear. Come on.
Yeah. So thanks for watching, everyone. Let me know on the comments below. See you guys down there. And check it out. The R5C for vlogging might not be the best for vlogging, but it is the best, I'd say, for video production. So for those of you who wants to use it for that, it's best for the vlogging. It's pretty heavy, so I wouldn't recommend it for that, but it does still work because of smaller lenses that the RF available right now for the RF. And that's really it. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.